Ever feel like running an e-commerce store is chaotic? That's because it is. Products here, ads there, data everywhere. And have you noticed how other online shops always seem to show you the perfect ads at the perfect time?
Wait a minute, I was literally just talking about this.
Well, it's not magic, it's performance marketing automation. And that's what we do at
Dotidot.
Dotidot. Dotidot. Dotidot. Dotidot. Picture this. You have tons of products, and managing them feels like trying to count all the stars in the sky. What are you doing?
Nothing, just counting products. Obviously.
And that's what feed management is for. It lets you organize your products into high-quality data feeds. Think of it as a master librarian that aligns your product's inventory and pulls data from various sources like your website, Google Analytics, XML file, or simple Google Sheet. It can even enhance your product images with a fancy background, bold discount tags, or festive graphics. Now, say you want to show your products not just in your shop, but all over the internet. That sounds like a job for feed export templates. With these templates, you are able to take your products to different RTB platforms, marketplaces, and price comparison sites. Now that your product feed is organized, it's time to set up your campaigns so you can promote them. When handling thousands of items, shining a spotlight on your star products is key. Yet manually steering campaigns across diverse channels like Meta, Microsoft, and Google is tricky. One wrong move and opportunities are missed, profits dip. Thankfully, there is a super efficient robot that handles all the repetitive ad tasks, making things easier and more effective. With marketing campaign automation, you are not just running campaigns. You are sculpting a strategy focused on peak performance and maximum ROI. Your campaigns evolve into fine-tuned machine, ensuring your products receive the exposure they need. The result? You stay ahead in the fiercely competitive market, reaching those ambitious goals you have set. And the best part? You do all this while saving time and money, giving you the freedom to dream bigger and aim higher. After your campaigns have been running for some time, it's time to have a look into a crystal ball and see how they have been performing. Dude, what is it now?
This thing is magical. I can see everything. Everything.
We call this crystal ball Actionable Analytics. It compiles data from all channels into one report, helping you make decisions that are sharp, informed, and spot on. See an underperforming campaign? Take an action to fix it directly in the report. Now let's bring it all together in what we call the circle of success. Feed management keeps your products in line, marketing automation makes your campaigns dance, and Actionable Analytics gives you the insight to fine-tune your performance. All of this can be done in one place, Dotidot. There is so much more cool stuff you can do though, like aligning your campaigns with the weather or filtering products for campaigns using your custom rules. With Dotidot, it's not just about juggling tasks. It's about creating ads that amaze your audience and grow your business. So, are you ready to join the fun and be the star of the show? Let's turn your e-commerce challenge into a success story. Click to learn more and get started today.